some basic features of Andhra Pradesh climate. Andhra Pradesh climate. Before that, let us see what is difference between climate and weather. These two terms are often used interchanged, but there is a clear difference between the terms climate and weather. Climate simply refers to climate is the long-term weather phenomena, long-term weather phenomena that is often greater than 30 years. 30 years. But weather is local at a particular point of time. At a particular point of time. See, for example, Ooty is a cold place. Ooty is cold place. You know that. Ooty is cool place. Ooty or Shimla, these are cool place. The coolness or hotness of that region, what we are saying is climate. Climate. But at any particular day, for example, on May 1st, 2020, Shimla may be hotter. Shimla may be hotter. Ooty may be hotter. Ooty may be hotter. Or any other region have different weather patterns. So, at any given point of time, the different climatological and meteorological factors such as pressure, rainfall, humidity, moisture, winds, these kind of weather phenomena, or these kind of climatological factors that are present over a particular region at particular point of time is weather. The aggregate of these factors over a longer period of time is known as climate. So climate is often the average weather factors over a period of more than 30 years. Some scholars write it as 60 years, but in NCERT you will find it as 30 years. So we are taking it as default 30 years. Coming to the climate, so if in our Andhra Pradesh geography discussion, we are discussing the climate of Andhra Pradesh, not the weather of Andhra Pradesh. Climate of Andhra Pradesh, the type of climate of Andhra Pradesh is tropical monsoonal climate. Tropical monsoonal climate, that is single term. In very single definition, if you want to define the climate of Andhra Pradesh, then you could have said that the climate of Andhra Pradesh is tropical monsoonal type. Tropical monsoonal climate. Why it is tropical? See, in case of India, if you see India, India lies between 8 degrees 4 minutes, 37 degrees 6 minutes latitude. 37 degrees 6 minutes northern latitude. This is the latitudinal location of India. 8 degrees 4 minutes and 37 degrees 6 minutes. These are the latitudes. And the Tropic of Cancer passes through the center of India about through 8 states of Andhra Pradesh. This is 23.5 degrees northern latitude. That is Tropic of Cancer. So, what is known as tropical region? Any region that exists between equator. For that, here I am drawing this map. This is equator. This is Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Capricorn. So, any region that is present within the tropics, that is 23.5 northern latitude to 23.5 southern latitude. These regions are known as tropical regions. So India is located in tropical region. India is located in tropical region, and so that the Andhra Pradesh is also located in tropical region. Andhra Pradesh is located in tropical region. That is within the to the north of equator and to the south of Tropic of Cancer. That's why Andhra Pradesh is located in northern tropical region. Northern tropical. This is called northern tropical region, and this is known as southern tropical region. As Andhra Pradesh is located in northern tropical region, the climate of Andhra Pradesh is also tropical climate. Then what is the monsoonal climate? See, in case of monsoons, the monsoonal winds blows like this. These are southwest monsoons. From the month of June to September, the winds blows from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the India and Indian subcontinent. So these winds, when they are coming towards the India, when they are coming to India from southern hemisphere and from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, they bring so much of rainfall to Indian subcontinent. These kind of winds that are coming from the southern hemisphere, of course they are appearing that they are coming from the northern hemisphere. This is the reason, because of the Coriolis force. When winds come from southern hemisphere, when they come onto the northern hemisphere, that is when they crosses the equator, they deflects towards their right handed side based on the Coriolis force. So because of the Coriolis force, these are originally southeast trade winds that are coming from the southern hemisphere, and when they crosses equator, they come to the coast of Kerala and appears that they are southwest monsoons. Southwest monsoons. So Andhra Pradesh, India itself is experiencing southwest monsoons, and so that Andhra Pradesh is also experiencing southwest monsoons. So Andhra Pradesh that is located in the tropical region, and at the same time Andhra Pradesh has been influenced by monsoons. That's why the climate of India can be called, the climate of Andhra Pradesh can be called as tropical monsoonal climate. This is the term, tropical monsoonal type of climate. So simple single word definition, what is the climate of Andhra Pradesh? Tropical monsoonal type. Though it is majorly tropical monsoonal type, some kind of regional features can be seen here. For example, you see this entire coastal region, the districts of coast, this region experiences maritime influence. That means maritime influence. You could have understand better in case of Indian geography. Because of their presence to the close of Bay of Bengal, the winds blows from Bay of Bengal region to the coastal region. That's why that results into some kind of modification of local weather condition. So the modern climate of these coastal states, will be moderated. No very extreme, no very extreme temperature, no very extreme pressure that could be seen. No extremities could be seen in the coastal region. This is because of the maritime influence. These kind of moderating climate conditions are known as maritime climate. But in case of Rayalaseema districts which does not have coast, if you see here, the Rayalaseema districts, especially Chitturu, these four districts of Chittur, Anantapur, Karnool, and Kadapa, these districts which are located in continental region, that means they does not have coastal influences, no influence of Bay of Bengal Ocean. This results into extreme climates. Winter will be very cold winter and very hot summer. Very cold winter and very hot summer. This kind of climate of having weather extremities, whether the temperature is higher or during the winter season temperature will be lower. So high temperatures and low temperatures could be recorded. This kind of climate is known as continental climate. So finally, Andhra Pradesh climate is tropical monsoonal type of climate, whereas some kind of regional phenomena could also be seen. That is, continental type of climate could be seen in case of Rayalaseema, and maritime climate could be seen in case of the coastal Andhra Pradesh. Then general average mean maximum temperature in Andhra Pradesh is average temperature. If you take annual average temperature, the temperature is up to 31 degrees Celsius, whereas the lowest annual temperature is 18 degrees Celsius. So temperature average maximum temperature is 31 degrees, and average minimum temperature is 18 degrees Celsius. Now coming to the rainfall pattern, temperature is like this and rainfall of Andhra Pradesh. What happens? What is the different types of rainfall patterns that could be seen in Andhra Pradesh? Let us move on to next slide. This is the slide, a screenshot taken from the socio-economic survey of Andhra Pradesh 2019 and 20. Socio-economic survey. This socio-economic survey, you could also refer to this page. This is page number 293. 293, appendix 5.3. Appendix 5.3, page number 293, socio-economic survey 2019-20. If you see the normal rainfall pattern of Andhra Pradesh, the total average expected rainfall is 966 millimeters. Total average expected rainfall, normal expected rainfall in Andhra Pradesh, not only in southwest monsoon season but also in northeast monsoon season, winter season and summer season. The four seasons, we are having four seasons in Andhra Pradesh. Out of these four seasons, every season is also having its own little or more rainfall. If we include all the rainfall of every season, then the average rainfall of Andhra Pradesh is 966 millimeters. That means 96.6 centimeters of annual average rainfall is expected normally. But what happens with respect to southwest monsoon of 2019-20, northeast monsoons, that we are going to see individually in case of every season. Here you could also see generally the rainfall pattern, normal expected rainfall pattern of Andhra Pradesh in case of southwest monsoons, Nairuti Rutupavanalu. In case of southwest monsoons, normal expected rainfall is 55.6 centimeters or otherwise 556 millimeters. In case of northeast monsoons, Ishanya Rutupavanalu, normal expected rainfall in Andhra Pradesh is 296 millimeter. In case of winter season, that is January and February, normal expected rainfall is 15.7 millimeters. And in case of hot weather season, because that means during summer season also gives rainfall. That rainfall which happens during the season of summer is known as pre-monsoon showers, pre-monsoon season. That I am going to discuss in the upcoming slides. So normal expected rainfall in case of summer season is 98.3 millimeters. So totally the average annual expected rainfall of Andhra Pradesh is 966 millimeters or 96.6 centimeters. Whether the in the financial year of 2019-20, whether the rainfall is actually occurred or rainfall is less than the actually expected, or it is more than the actually expected, that we are going to see in the respective season. This is the rainfall pattern. So here we have discussed the features of Andhra Pradesh climate. What type of climate is Andhra Pradesh climate, and what are the regional variations that could be seen in Andhra Pradesh climate, and mean, maximum, and minimum temperatures and rainfall patterns in case of Andhra Pradesh based on socio-economic survey. So seasonal rhythm.